10 signs he's afraid of how much he likes you. Hi, I'm Rachael Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today we're talking about relationships. What makes a relationship go from just girlfriend and boyfriend to an intimate marriage that lasts a lifetime? Well, first of all, it's commitment. And there are a lot of blocks today in men that stop them from going from that boyfriend-girlfriend into a full commitment. So I'm going to share with you 10 signs that he really likes you, but he's afraid of how much he likes you. Number 1, he talks about how badly he's been hurt before. He's afraid that his heart is going to just completely burst if he goes through any more heartbreak or any more trauma. So if you find that he's talking about his bad relationship before or how it broke up, constantly remind yourself that he really likes you and he doesn't want that to happen again. And the way you can kind of steer the conversation away from that hurt is to say, hey, I'm not here for your hurt. I'm not here for your pain. I'm here to have fun. Let's just take it one day at a time. And keep redirecting that, hey, let's have fun. Let's have a good time and just be in the moment. And tomorrow will come when tomorrow comes, and we'll make those decisions as we move forward. Number 2, he flip-flops on, yes, he's ready to get married, and then no, he's not. Or yes, he's ready to move in together, or no, he's not. That's that fear, that inner conflict, that he really, really likes you. He wants to do it, but the fear is holding him back. Number 3, he overwhelms you with compliments. It's almost like the compliments that he gives you are a nervous twitch because he can't believe how beautiful and powerful and wonderful you are and you've become in his life. So he's constantly giving you compliments. Number 4, he engages in this push-pull kind of relationship. He'll tend to pull you close and you'll have an amazing weekend. And then come Monday, he'll push you away and act like it never even happened. That's that fear, that inner conflict coming out as he wants to be close, but then he's afraid to be close. So there's that push-pull in the relationship, and he may even ghost you. But let it go and understand that he's working through his own emotions, and just keep sending him love. Number 5, during intimate moments when you're just curled up looking into each other's eyes, he glances away real quick. He's afraid to keep that intimacy in the relationship. That's his fear coming out. And just let it go and try to reconnect with his gaze and keep increasing that gaze time as you go through the relationship. Number 6, he gets jealous. Even if you just glance at a waiter or somebody walking by, he'll seem to get real jealous, but then he'll deny it because he doesn't want jealousy in the relationship. He wants that full commitment, but he's afraid of it. Number 7, he's slow to introduce you to his friends and family. You know that he has friends, you know that he has family, but he tends to compartmentalize you and him and the rest of his life. And that's that fear that he likes you so much that he wants to be sure that his impression of you is going to be the same impression that his friends and his family get, that he wants that sense of approval from all his other relationships. So he holds back introducing you to family and friends. Number 8, you can sense that he really wants to express himself deeper or share more of his internal thoughts, but you know he's holding back. That's a huge sign that he really likes you, but he's afraid to admit it. Number 9, you keep seeing the number 555. Now, 555 is a number that represents conflict, struggle, breaking down walls, making a path for a new experience. So 555 is that symbol of his inner conflict of really liking you, but being afraid to commit to it. And number 10, he absolutely avoids topics about the future of your relationship. He just is in the moment. And that's okay. Just let those conversations about what are we going to do when we have a family, or are we going to move in together, just let that go and give him time and space to come to grips with how much he really likes you, and to come to grips with the fact that he is ready to commit to you. I'm Rachael Zink, and I hope this clears up some of those conflicts in your relationship where you feel like he loves you one day, but he hates you the next. It's his fear. And release your anxiety over the fear he has, and you will see a beautiful relationship begin to unfold. Give him space and create space in yourself to be more open, more loving, and more accepting of all his idiosyncrasies, and you will have the love of your life. Remember, you're always attracting the good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful.